What happens when innovation meets inclusion? At ICF Demo Day 2026, Changemakers are presenting solutions designed to improve accessibility and empower underserved communities in Pakistan. From assistive technologies to inclusive platforms, these startups are turning ideas into impact. Let's hear from the innovators behind these initiatives.
So we are Research Charge and we are reward engine. So how we work, those researchers who collect primary data through survey methodology, they ask people to fill up their surveys, but no one is willing to do that. So what we do, we connect their surveys to the reward engine, and the participants who fill up their surveys, they get a tangible reward, maybe a discount in the pizza, maybe a mobile top up or something like that. And those brand partners who give up or deliver those rewards through our platform, they get measurable social goodwill as well as the CSR tax credits. So that's how we operate in a three-way engine.
We are Access Boost Consultancy. Basically, our services are for the banking to make them inclusive. So we provide banks the solution to convert their documents in Braille and to better their digital accessibilities related issues.
So basically, we are making smart lockers in Pakistan. We are going to install these lockers in shopping malls, universities, gyms, corporate offices, co-working spaces, metro station, and even in airports. And what makes it smart, we can open these lockers from our app. We have our smart card, you can scan it and your locker will be open in just few seconds. And we can even integrate a chip in your watch. You can scan it, your locker will be open. And hopefully we are going to launch 100 lockers in Bahrain University within 2 months.
We provide an edtech platform for schools to manage all their operations in one single place. We are active in Lahore. We have a school with 1,000 plus students and 80 plus staff members who are daily actively using our 14 modules, and we are looking to scale up within Pakistan and then expanding into MENA region.
We are developing intelligent prosthetics for person having amputation. So person having amputation, they just have to wear a leg and he can walk like a normal person.
बेसिकली एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें मुख्तलिफ कम्युनिटीज़ अपने आर्ट वर्क को हमें देती हैं और हम लोग उनको आगे सेल करते हैं.
Our startup focuses on creating a change in the market. Like if we go to the market, we see there are generic masterpieces which are their metallic jewelry. So our startup aims to produce elegant designs with pearls and handmade designs in accessible prices, not compromising on quality. And as a disabled founder, I have built this brand with an intention that I will hire people with disabilities, because there is a huge amount of people with disabilities who are facing the issue of unemployment. So I'm aiming to employ them so that I can be the change maker for their employment as well and for the market as well.
ब्लाइंड टोन स्टूडियोज़ बेसिकली एक स्टूडियो है जो कंटेंट क्रिएशन, म्यूज़िक प्रोडक्शन और नात प्रोडक्शन के लिए काम कर रहा है. इसमें हमारे विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को हम प्रमोट करते हैं इस स्टूडियो में ताकि वो अपनी सर्विसेज देकर रेवेन्यू जनरेट करें.
Our startup is a distance learning program by Inclusive Pakistan, through which we are reaching people with disabilities who aren't able to get out of their homes just due to system inabilities or the lack of support, to provide them trainings to make a good career out of them.
हमारा स्टार्टअप इकोगेज के नाम से हम ग्रीन क्लाइमेट के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं. एआई बेस हम लोगों ने एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया है जिसके ज़रिए हम इंडस्ट्रीज़ और दूसरी जो गैस एमिशंस हैं उनको हम टारगेट कर रहे हैं.
मेरे स्टार्टअप का नाम है 3 सेंसेस कैफ़े, जो कि हम 3 सेंसेस को एक जगह हमने कंबाइन किया है, जिसमें टेस्ट यानी कि फूड हम डील कर रहे होते हैं, और स्मेल जो कि अरोमा या परफ्यूम्स होती हैं, और तीसरी सेंस जो है कम्युनिकेशन. ये हमारा मोटिव है कि हम एक जगह पे इन तीनों चीज़ों को कंबाइन करें.